welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my sister.
Hi.
We have not done a collab since like January.
Yeah.
A long time ago. So we just filmed a video on her channel. I gave her a makeover, so if you guys want to watch that, I'll have it linked down below. But I thought today it would be fun to just sit down. We need to eat lunch.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna do a little like mukbang and answer some questions. So I didn't tell her what I ordered. Can you figure it out from what that paper says?
Well, yeah, I mean, I can see what you got, but...
What? Do you know what any of those are? Have you ever had Indian food?
Oh, is that what it is? I was gonna
Yeah.
say, I know, yeah.
I ordered some Indian food.
I don't think I've ever had Indian food.
So,
Can I open this?
we have rice. Yeah.
Yay.
We have
Ooh, that looks good.
naan bread. I got a garlic one.
Where
and
is
I got
this
a cheese one. I think it's from like Taste of India or something.
What are these?
I don't know.
Oh.
I got like a chana masala or something and a vegetable curry. I got samosas. Those are my favorite. They're so good.
Yum.
Oh, it did come with rice. So we have two giant things of rice.
That's good.
And then I don't know what these are called. What is this?
They look like falafel little things.
Chana masala and a vegetable pakora.
What is this?
We
Is
got
it like a
samosas.
smoothie?
Oh yeah, when you get another cup, I think it's not a smoothie. I think it's just like a drink. It's a strawberry lassi. I'm gonna put some rice in to each bowl.
I love rice.
Okay, wait. So first, let's try the samosas because these are my
Can I dip it in
They're
this?
so good. Yeah.
What is this?
I think it's like a
Sauce.
chimichurri sauce. They have a lamb and. Just kidding. I think they're vegan.
These are good.
So, while we eat, we're gonna answer questions. First question, what is your favorite memory with each other growing up? Let's say like a specific one. Because we answered some questions on Avery's video too. And I know there was one like this. And we
Yeah.
said one of our favorites, just in general, is
Was just like making our
doing
videos
photo
and
shoots
stuff.
and
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah. Okay, so favorite memory. I think us just like writing notes to each other. We would always write notes to each other and we would
Yeah.
sign them like Joe Jonas.
Yeah. Oh, I have one. When we would sleep in grandma's room.
I was gonna say that too.
And we would like hide under the covers for some reason, and I had my blue DSI, and we would like take photos on it, and we would go like in the calendar, and you can like write notes on it. So we would just like, I still have it. I bet we could find like a bunch of them that are really funny, but yeah, we would just write like a bunch of notes to each other. And I remember one time, I just wasn't feeling it. Like I don't know if you were like mean to me that day, or I just like wanted to be alone. But I said I was going to the bathroom, and I just went to like in my own bed, and then like 10 minutes later, you came and dragged me in grandma's room and made me sleep with you.
Yeah, we'd have sleepovers. I used to make you like come in the bathroom with me and just like sit outside the shower
Oh,
and
yeah.
talk to me because I would be bored in there. There's like a little stool in my bathroom, and so you would just come like talk to me. What is your age difference?
6 years.
I'm 24. She's 18.
I'm 18.
I don't even remember being 18. That was
Really?
like a lifetime ago. Taste that. Tell me exactly what that tastes like.
Is it bad?
No, I'm probably not gonna drink a lot of it. It tastes exactly like something.
Oh my god, you're right. Do you know what it is?
Do you? I'm trying to think of the name of it to say it at the same time.
Oh, strawberry yogurt.
I was gonna say it tastes like animals.
Yeah, you're right.
That is really good, but I'm gonna get some milk, so I don't want to have a lot of it because I don't have a bellyache. Next question: do you like
No.
being an aunt?
Yes.
Can you elaborate?
I just like that there's a child in my life that I don't have to like take care of all the time. That I can just see when she's like cute and fun, and then she goes home with you, and you deal with like being the mom.
Yeah, we didn't really know a lot of like little kids or babies before her. Like especially you. Like who do you know that's like a little kid? Our step siblings are how old are they? Like 8 and
11.
so I mean like a baby or like a toddler. I guess I did because I have my 2 nieces that are little. These are so spicy.
These?
Uh-huh. Okay, I don't love this one, but I really liked it.
I like it.
Next question, again to do with Cove. Do you think that she is spoiled?
I mean, yeah, but I don't think that's a bad thing. Like, I think if you can, like, give your child the best childhood, especially because, not to say this in, like, a dramatic way, but, like, we didn't have the best, like, circumstances at home growing up. So I feel like if you can, like, have your baby have
I mean,
a
we
good...
did. It was like when we were older.
Yeah.
Just when our parents were like getting divorced, like obviously it's not fun for anyone.
But I don't know, like, I just think you should always do, like, the most to make your child happy. I don't think there's anything wrong with that.
Yeah.
Like, she's not really to an age where you could, like, discipline her or, like, do
Yeah,
stuff
I feel like
that.
spoiled is such a word that can be like, I was thinking no, and then I'm like, oh wait, but she has like a full playroom for all her toys.
Yeah.
She has like a lot of stuff, but
I mean, like, she's your first kid. Aspen always goes out, like, all out for everything. Like, she had a whole first birthday party for her dog.
woo! Remember that, Amy? You were there.
That's just, like, the kind of person that she is. And she's
Yeah.
always been the person to like want to give the best to everyone, like especially like our mom and obviously like Parker and even like your siblings. So I mean, I'm not like surprised that she has like a full playroom with like all of her stuff
Yeah.
because that's just like the kind
And
of
I feel like
person
you can
are.
spoil. It's just she's like too young to like.
She's too young to be like stuck up because of like she's like if she's like spoiled.
Yeah, I feel like there's just so many different ways like spoiled can be. Like I feel like you can't just say like yes or no. And even people that like are given things, like one of my friends like was given a car when she was 16, and just like stuff like that. Like she didn't have to like buy it or pay for it or have a job or whatever. Like she didn't work in high school. She didn't have time because we cheered. And it was really busy. And she's like super hardworking. She went to college right after. Her parents paid for everything, but now she's like
Good on her
married
own.
and
Yeah.
like you can still give people things and they can still like be hardworking.
Yeah, and I also think you're gonna be the type of mom because it always bugged you when me or like our other siblings like wouldn't like clean up after themselves. Like you're like she's not gonna just like
Just
do
have, like, free
nothing.
reign, yeah.
Yeah, like she's gonna have rules and like chores to do.
I never did my own laundry until I moved out.
Really?
I mean, I had done it. Like, if mom was
I
like, hey, your
always
chore
did
is
laundry.
to go and do laundry, I'd be like, hey, yeah, and I would go do it.
Like I would do like dad's laundry.
I mean, yeah, I would like help with chores, but like now, don't you do your own laundry? Like, mom doesn't do your laundry, or does
Well,
she?
yeah, but I feel like I've been doing it for like a long time. I mean, like every once in a while, I'll just like switch it for me.
But
or
like, do
something,
you
but,
bring
like,
your laundry up and you
Yeah.
put it in, and then like it's only your clothes pretty much? It like
Yeah.
go in the washer, the dryer, and then you take it out.
Mhm.
Yeah. See, I never did that. Like,
No.
it would be my chore one day to like do loads of laundry and whatever. But I feel like my kids can definitely do like their own laundry.
Yeah,
And like it could be their chore or whatever, but there's just stuff, or like unloading the dishwasher when they're older.
yeah, but you
Like,
were
we
just
did that
really,
stuff
really
too,
busy in
but-
high school. Like I feel
Yeah.
like you were never home.
Yeah, I was really
I'm gonna let you be out.
famous and popular. Name the ways you are complete opposites. Our style for one.
Yeah, music taste probably. I feel like you're not super into like
I'm
music.
just not into like what's cool.
Yeah.
Like I listen
I
to what's
mean-
on the radio, and then I
yeah,
just don't have
but like
time
I have like
to-
specific artists that I like love listening to. Like I dedicate a lot of not like
Dedicate your
dedicate
time.
that. No, that sounds stupid. But like I just have like artists that I like go out of my way to listen to, and I feel like you did that in high school
Did I? I mean, maybe
because I remember listening. I remember you would listen to like Frank Ocean and like Kid Cudi.
that was. I mean, I guess yeah, but that was like what everyone was talking about. Like I wasn't.
Yeah,
cool.
but those artists are still like really popular.
Yeah.
Because she would always do homework in the office, and I would sit in like those two chairs behind you just because I like wanted to hang out with you.
Mm-hmm.
And you would be listening to music on something. Like I know all of like Frank Ocean's first album because of you.
Mm-hmm.
And then I remember you were listening to Pursuit of Happiness by Kid Cudi, and I remember mom came in and said, Avery doesn't need to be listening to this.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Let's see what else. I'm a lot more clean than you.
Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm like super messy, but
You're
like
not
I'm not
as
like
organized.
super, yeah, I'm not super like organized either.
In what ways are we similar?
We're both cool and
Yeah.
pretty and hot.
We ate a lot of food.
Yeah, it is. I'm like already getting full.
Me too. My nose is like running from how spicy it is.
I don't think any of this is spicy.
Okay, next question. Do you let Avery babysit Cove?
I have before.
We
and
tried.
she cried the whole time, but that's when she was like really little.
I think you have.
Like, it
did you
was in, like,
babysit
December.
her up here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then you babysat her at my house, and she was like, she was okay that time.
Yeah, I don't really remember.
And then you
but
were
I think she was
supposed to
fine.
another time in the summer, but then we had to cancel whatever it was.
Yeah.
So yes, Avery has.
Oh yeah,
babysat.
because I was with Jens and we both babysat.
Yeah.
And she was fine because she was like asleep most of the time. So.
Yeah. What is your family's perception of your careers? Understanding or judgy? We've always been understanding because
Yeah.
we've done this for so long. Like,
Yeah.
if one of us was like just starting YouTube or something now, it's not that they wouldn't be understanding, but it's just like a new change or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
It's
like we
kind
just
of right
grew up
too.
always making videos, so the fact that we would just now post them like online wasn't really like that.
But even like Parker's family, I was gonna ask if Jen's family like gets it at all, because Parker's family has always like been really chill about it too.
Yeah.
Like they've never said like a single thing about like what are you gonna do next or whatever.
Yeah,
They're
neither
always
his
just, like,
Jen's
cool,
family.
sweet.
I mean, his siblings are all just older and have kids, so I don't think they're super worried about like
They're
what
just-
I'm
yeah.
doing. Yeah, they're always like really nice about it, and if they ever like ask me questions, they're always just like respectful.
Yeah.
And,
Do you and Avery talk a lot?
I feel like we text, like,
Almost,
every day.
Almost every day.
yeah, she always will send me pictures of Cove, and if she doesn't, I ask for pictures of Cove.
Yeah. Did you guys get parented different? I feel like mom's definitely more chill with you. Like,
Yeah.
1,000,000%.
Yeah, but we
I'm
were
the
also very
oldest.
different kids. Like you were a lot more rebellious in high school than I was. Like you would sneak out.
Was I?
You would sneak Parker in, and mom would act like she knew, but she just said that because she doesn't want to seem dumb.
I don't know if she did.
She always tells me, of course I knew.
I feel like she probably did. And
But
she
like
probably
you
knew if she
snuck
told
out.
me
I
not
remember
to.
we woke up like in the middle of the night and you were like gone and you weren't answering your phone.
When?
You like slept over at a friend's house or something and you didn't tell mom.
Oh, that was one time. My phone died.
Oh,
Yeah,
your BlackBerry or your chocolate?
No, it was the iPhone in high school. Yeah, we definitely got parented different.
But I just like there wasn't as much to like discipline with me because I just
And mom
was
just was like chilled
and
out.
she's yeah, definitely.
And it was just different like circumstances too.
Yeah,
Even
like
if
I
you're,
remember
graduating early. It's like you're not in high school anymore.
Yeah.
You're still 17, but
well, I'm 18.
I mean like back then.
Oh,
Have you guys ever snuck out together? No, we were not in the same like
No.
age group at all to
Yeah.
do that. You were, how old would you have been if I was like 17?
like 12.
11?
Yeah.
Yeah, so no. What do you think your life is going to be like in 5 years?
Rich
More
and
babies,
famous?
New house? I'll definitely have another baby. I don't know if I would have
OMG, what if you had 2?
like 3 babies in 5 years.
Yeah.
Maybe. I could have 3 babies. I think I'll be living in like a different house. Those are like 2 big changes. I'll have moved
Yeah.
for sure, and I'll have at least 1 more baby, I would assume.
Yeah, I don't really know.
How old will you be in 5 years? How old are you? 18?
Yeah,
23?
22, 23. Yeah, I don't know. Because I don't think I want to get married young like you did. So,
Yeah.
I don't know. I
Where
can't
do you
like
think
think
you'll
about the
live?
future too much or else it stresses me out. I don't know. Like, I could still be like living in the city, like probably not in the same place, but
Do you think you would have been friends in school? And someone asked, do you think you would be friends like now if you...
I feel like it
More
really
related.
depends because I feel like we've answered this question before, but our dynamic, because we were sisters, like you could be mean to me and get away with it.
Yeah, but I wouldn't be mean to like a friend.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm saying.
Like in
So
high
if you were like
school-
nice to me and we were in high school together,
It's just, we were so far apart that I can't think of like
I'm sure we would have because I feel like if I grew up like in southern Utah and I like didn't move, I probably would have went to your high school and I probably
Yeah.
would have cheered. But I don't know. There's
I
just
feel
too many like,
like-
well, if this, then this.
yeah.
Like there's too many hypotheticals. Like I just
Yeah.
don't know.
Yeah, and I feel like it's not that we wouldn't like get along. Like if I was my 18-year-old self right now and like it was you,
I feel like
it's
we
not that
would.
we wouldn't get along, we would, but I just feel like we have such like, we would be in just different crowds in general. Like I don't know
Yeah.
how we would have like met and like become friends and hung
Yeah.
out when we just like to do like different stuff. Do you think you would have gotten into YouTube if Aspen didn't? I don't think so.
Probably
because-
not. Like I feel like the idea of like, oh, I should start a channel would probably like have never popped into my head. And I
Yeah.
don't know when I would have started because I was really ugly in middle school, so wouldn't have popped off.
What do y'all really think about Trey?
I think he's really funny and
Trey's our
he's
brother,
shorter
if
than
you
me,
don't know.
so I'm still the
Yeah,
tallest
Trey's
sibling.
great.
But Tav is catching up.
Tav's not gonna get as tall as you.
You don't, bro. He's already like he's probably like 5'6".
I don't think he's as tall as me.
Yes, he is. He's definitely taller than you. Wait till he gets home. He's definitely taller than you because he's a lot taller than mom. Like he's almost my height and it makes me nervous because he could probably beat me up now.
Make you nervous?
Yeah, because he could probably beat me up now.
Anyways, we love Trey. We have a group chat with Trey, so we talk to Trey. Do you like text Trey by yourself?
Every
Like a
once in a
lot?
while. He doesn't really respond.
What are valuable lessons you've learned from your mom?
I mean, not that mom has taught us to like be nice and loving, but I feel like she has always taught like go out of your way to like
Yeah, she's so
Be-
nice to everyone.
yeah, like she can like talk to people so easily. She like doesn't bring like too much attention to herself.
She's just like so nice. Like,
yeah.
There's not one thing.
And she's just always taught us like good morals ever since growing up. Like don't be homophobic, like just like stuff
Yeah.
like that. She was
And
always
even, like,
really good at
back
teaching
when,
us.
Before that was as much of like a thing people focus on now, she
Yeah.
always has taught us that,
Yeah.
which is something that I think is
Yeah,
awesome.
like I remember like being in elementary school and she would say like these words are like racial slurs, like don't say them, which is
Yeah.
like a mistake that like a lot of kids in middle school like don't understand that they're bad.
Yeah.
So then they have a past of like saying all these like bad words that
Mm-hmm.
they look back and be like, oh, I shouldn't have said that, but they just didn't know better. But like mom has always taught us like
Yeah, like
don't do
say
this.
that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you get down, please? I like it so
Which
much.
sister has more shoes? You, for sure.
probably me. Yeah.
Definitely you. What is something you wish you could have done together before you got married? I feel like
Go to
again
the
you were
club?
just too young. I feel like I wish we would have been able to travel together more. Not before.
Yeah, I mean we
got
still
married.
can, but like now you have like a baby.
Yeah, I think more before I like had a baby because obviously I still can like travel and do whatever, and I do when like the world is open again. Think that we should do another trip with me, you, and mom.
Yeah, with So,
But it would have been fun before I had a baby to just do, because we haven't
we should
really...
go to like somewhere tropical.
Yeah, we've only been to
Barcelona and London.
Barcelona and London together, like on the same trip. We've done like California and stuff, but I mean like bigger trips. I think we should go to Banff in Canada.
Ooh.
It's so
a good
pretty
idea.
and it's pretty close. Let me see if there's any extra juicy ones at the top. Oh, how did Avery feel when you moved to LA? Will you ever talk about your
2 weeks in LA?
Yeah, it was 3. Will you ever talk about that? So if you haven't been watching for a long time, I did move to LA when I was 18. I literally did not want to go.
But then why did you do it? I never understood.
Because Parker...
Like just the pressure of, oh yeah, because
No,
Parker was going on a
Parker was-
mission.
Yeah, Parker was gonna go on like a church trip thing where basically you're gone for like 2 years and you
like don't really have contact.
yeah,
like, you
can
can't
like
see
email
them.
once a week. So it was basically like we were gonna be over. Like I wasn't gonna.
We're gonna wait around
Yeah.
for no man.
So, and I was like so literally depressed. Like that was like the hardest
I remember
time.
you like
I would just, like,
I would
sit
hear
and
you in
start
your
bawling.
like every day for
was
like a while.
horrible.
And I felt so
No,
bad.
I would love if he went on a Turkish trip.
And then
Just kidding,
roles
but
were
it was really,
reversed.
really hard. So, anyways, as the YouTubers do, they moved to LA. The day that I signed my lease, I signed it like that morning, and then that afternoon, Parker like decided he couldn't go or whatever. And then I was like, well, I already signed my thing. And I've like talked about this before. It's not like a secret or anything. It was just so long ago. Feels like literally another lifetime. So
Yeah,
I don't
that
really
does
like
seem-
talk about
yeah.
it that often because
It's just like not relevant anymore.
it's just not relevant, like
Yeah.
whatever. But anyways, so I moved. I really did not like it. I feel like I was way
It's just,
too
like, not
young.
your
It's just not my
scene.
scene. Yeah.
Yeah.
What was the question? Am I just like telling the story for no reason?
No, it was
Oh,
what
it was
was
how
your-
did you feel about it?
Oh.
But anyways, one of our other friends
Took over her
to
lease.
summarize, my friend Lexi was moving, so I was like, oh, you can have my room. It's great. Love everybody, but I just am moving home because I
Yeah.
don't like it. So yeah, I was there for only like 3 weeks. But you didn't know that when I was moving. So
Yeah.
how did you feel?
I mean, I was obviously really sad and like I cried like the whole way home because me and my mom drove.
Can you believe that really happened though?
We were both
I
in
feel
just
like it was
such
a
different
dream.
places in our lives
But
back
like,
then.
can you believe that it actually like happened in real life? Like, I feel like that did
Just
not
the
happen.
fact
I feel
of
like it was
you,
a
like,
dream
living
that
in
just
LA.
cost me like a lot of money.
It's just like not you. Like it's really just not your scene. Like to picture you
I know,
living
but
there.
what I'm saying is I can't believe I actually
did that.
Like I
Yeah.
can't believe that was a real thing in life that happened and that
Yeah.
like you guys drove home after we like set up my apartment and stuff.
Yeah.
And
you
then,
made some good vids with it though. I
yeah,
can't
and
not
then
talk
mom and
today.
dad came. I wonder, like, I can't believe there's a real phone call that I was like, you guys come get me. Like, I'm over this.
You made mom and dad drive back 3 weeks later and pack all your
I
stuff back
can't
up.
believe that really happened. I wish I had like documented it more because I can't believe that was a real event that happened in my life.
I mean, I was obviously sad, but like
Yeah.
back then we weren't that close.
I can't believe
Yeah,
that
so I
really
was obviously sad, but then I was also like, more attention for mom.
Who is more social out of the two of you?
I feel like right now
I don't
me.
know. Well, yeah, probably you. But like,
Because I just have like a very small group of friends now. Like you hang out with like Lauren and Parker.
Yeah.
And maybe like a couple other people like every once in a while.
Yeah, I feel like we
Ainsley,
both
but
have
that's
like
our
small
family,
social
so.
circles, and that's like kind of how we like it. Just small groups of like good
Yeah.
friends. Like neither of us go out to things, and not even because it's like 2020 stuff. Like we just aren't. Like you wouldn't be out at like a lot of parties and stuff. Like being social like
yeah,
that.
I
Like
think
neither
so.
of us like that. Did I tell you when I lost my virginity?
No. I don't know why you would. I was probably
I don't know
like
why I would
13. Like, hey, guess what?
Okay, we recorded for too long. It's a sign this video is over because
Yeah,
the camera just
and we're
stopped.
both full.
What did you think about the Indian food?
It was good. It was just
It
a
was
lot
good.
of food.
It was, yeah. We didn't even open this one. This is a fun video. It was fun. I love just like sit down. These are my favorite to watch. Just like
Just like sit down, chill videos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Casual videos are just fun to watch every now and
Yeah.
then. So
Yeah.
hope you enjoyed.
Yep. Go check out Avery's video. I'll have it linked down below. If you guys want to leave any other video suggestions, you can leave them in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.